starting. I've been filming for the past 2 minutes.
Okay.
You better bleep.
This girl's stirring nothing.
You better bleep all the stuff. Jenna, can you get in the goddamn frame? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please, before you continue with this, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your
button down. Where is it? Can you like put it like
don't
right
forget to turn on my post notifications. And don't forget so my bell could ring.
What?
What is that? So then, let's hope this time Melina does not mess up the ingredients.
No, they were so sweet. My brother's like this.
They weren't
so
even sweet.
That
was half sugar.
It was the icing.
There was no ingredients.
This other guy today is like, so I would like to get to know you better. And I was like,
you know what I would like it? You know what I would like to do? Start making. I would like to start making. Why are you crying?
Okay, bye. My eyes just watering.
Okay, Veronica, you're not speeding up the process, and you also said
why
you
do we
would
look
leave
like
half an hour.
I have to leave in half an hour.
Why does it look like that?
It's been an hour.
I've been trying to explain what I'm trying to make.
Okay, so
Time.
Let's go. What do we need?
Okay, today.
Both bash.
Okay.
Today we are baking. Tonight we are baking vanilla cupcakes. I've tried to bake them already before. Sorry, but no one liked it.
We missed a few ingredients.
Why
Why
don't we just make chocolate?
Because
we don't have
fudge.
Who thought of vanilla twice in a row?
fudge cupcakes.
No, just fudge.
Okay. Just throw all this out and go to like Metro and get some new stuff. This is supposed to take 15 minutes, but it's probably gonna take an hour. Okay.
15? 15.
All right,
so
let's start. What
1 and a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour.
Okay, do we have measuring cups?
Alright, you guys, we got eggs, we got everything.
I should spread.
Okay,
This is gonna be a long night.
can you guys just be serious for one goddamn second?
What is this?
It's a measuring cup.
I have one.
Oh. So why'd you make me get 2?
I didn't. Okay, do we have measuring cups? 1 1/3 cup.
Oh,
165
Lord.
grams. You can go by grams if you want.
Nah.
Where? Right here.
You almost spilled it in my kitchen. I would have killed you both.
But what does it say? 1 1/4?
Yeah, I see this. I can't see the number now, Kat. You're wrong. I thought you were blind.
I'm not that blind. Okay, we need a little bit more.
I'm gonna kill you.
Are you away from this side? Because this side is not.
It says 1 1/3. I think my measuring cup is better.
This side is.
Are you goddamn stupid?
Oh, you're right. I did the same thing.
Are you goddamn stupid? Oh, you're
I
right.
think that means in French cup. No. Yeah.
Quart?
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Quart means.
Can you just like
in
put
French
it up
cup.
to my face?
That is 1 cup. It literally says 1 cup.
Can we do more then?
1 1/3, so just before the 1 1/2.
I don't know what that means.
I thought you were a baker. What's happening?
When did I say that?
I don't
Where
know.
is my okay?
1
next
1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
1 1/4 teaspoon. I need some teaspoons. You need some tea, sister.
Half cup.
What is it? This has been bothering me for so long. Because they're annoying.
Okay, so right, okay.
Okay, Katarina.
What would you put in? Half a
Put in the
teaspoon?
necessary
Half a teaspoon?
Half a teaspoon.
A quarter of a
We're
teaspoon?
supposed to oh sorry.
You guys
We're supposed to whisk this.
bought last time and got it wrong. So
Why?
how about we try her way?
Yeah.
I didn't get anything wrong. You guys just are used to eating sweet and salty cupcakes. I'm
used
sorry.
to eating good cupcakes. There's the team right there.
Right. I need this butter.
What they say?
Are you
Is this good enough? Yeah. I lost all
We
my
should maybe
rolls.
switch it because I think we should switch it because this one we're gonna have to whisk so it's TBD.
You're so right.
I'm so tired. I'm ready for bed.
Okay there.
Alright, now we need to go sleep then. 2 eggs. I'm just gonna mix it in here and then just pour it into that bowl. Ooh, I got a little How's this butter for you?
Sugar.
Oh, she's thicky thick.
Oh, it says, wait, it says beat the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. And then it says the eggs.
Whatever, we'll mix it all together.
Oh, yeah.
You're in for 7 hours and I got new comfy shoes. $170.
1 cup of sugar.
You want to see them?
You know what? Here, take your vanilla sugar. Whatever the fuck it is.
You have to put
Guys,
water
we're home.
in
And
that.
like,
No, you don't.
I'm so tired.
You have to put water.
I never do.
So listen, so I bought these Robin
Make it drink.
$170 for the shoes. And I bought them
baby
from
Better
Walmart.
do that thing where you zoom in on the faces.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you.
I'm gonna kill you both. You're gonna mess up my cupcakes. You dumb.
That is like way
No, that's enough. No, okay, just keep putting more.
He's like, I was in Europe, and when I was on it,
I feel like you're having a war.
What
time is it?
I was in them for 7 hours.
What time is it?
The heat did not hurt. I walked
Wait, what happened?
50 minutes
What are we doing
from
now?
my work to Eden Center yesterday.
What time is it?
Okay, hold on.
It is summertime.
Add in the sugar again.
What the flip are you doing?
You want half sour cream? There you go.
That is way more than half.
That is not. Okay, well there will be more moist. What's the issue
It'll be
here?
sour.
I can already
Well,
smell
maybe they
it.
wouldn't be if you didn't put salt in it.
That doesn't even make any sense. You don't even want me to put the sugar. You want to put sour cream, but you don't want to put sugar in the cupcakes. Why?
Sour.
Potatoes?
You're not even in the video, Jenna. It looks like I've been talking to nobody.
Good, because I might as well be, because I have no opinion here, apparently.
Here. We're friends.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do the butter and the sugar first until light and fluffy. You didn't do that.
It's
Then
fluffy.
you didn't beat the eggs in one at a time.
I
We already
beat
know
them
it's
all
not proper.
together.
And
That's
then
enough.
you're supposed to add in the vanilla. And then you're supposed to add in the sour cream until fully combined. And we're not even doing it. This is
Like
way
I
too
see
thick.
her couple.
This is what happens
I stuck the
when
water over
Jenna does things.
Avocado queen.
They said avocado. Avocado. Thanks.
Ooh.
Alright.
Yes. 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 I can't film shit. Wait, that looks really good. Wait, I'm gonna like pan it. Me. They literally smell just like sour cream. I don't know if that's good. Why do all of them have sour cream? Is that normal?
I've never seen that
Me
before.
neither, but like this is the second recipe.
Okay, I'm gonna use it for
It's actually nice.
definitely salt.
No. I changed the sour cream though.
Wait, I can't really. Let me see.
Ice on my wrist.
Should I help you?
I don't know.
Oh, that's already made icing.
Yeah. What did you think?
You're moving
Oh,
it
they're
around.
really hot. It's really hot. I think we should have waited.
That's gonna melt like butter.
Okay, here are the cupcakes. They look so good. These lards gave up, but I was icing them. Yeah. This is it. Thank you. Hold on. Thank you guys for watching. Where are you? Subscribe.